Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dipanjali Arora. I'm a tarot card reader, a Vedic astrologer, and a healer. And I use my gifts on YouTube to help those who feel a little lost and are in a need of a guidance. So today I'm going to do a pick a card reading about the topic, and the topic is, will I travel abroad? Right? So I'm looking at 2 years time frame from 2021 to 2022. So in that time frame, are you going to be traveling abroad? So it could be to do with your work, it could be to do with because you're getting married or traveling abroad, or due to a relationship, or it could be to do with studies. So let's see what comes out in our readings, and we'll see whether you'll be able to travel or not, right? So there are 4 different piles for you to choose from. And this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this reading, there will be a message in it for you. And if you want a personal consultation done from me, then my details are mentioned in the description below and also flashing on your screen. You can also follow me on my Insta, and lots of interesting stuff I've planned for that for my Insta as well. So you can see more readings there. Now let's begin for today's reading. This is pile number 1. This is pile number 2, pile number 3, and pile number 4. I'll show you the stones here. This is a selenite rough cut stone. This is pile number 1. This is a clear quartz wand. For pile number 2, this is a selenite soap. This is in the form of an oval shaped, looking like a soap. Yeah. Pile number 3, and this is a selenite wand, which is pile number 4. All right, so close your eyes, take a couple of deep breaths, settle your mind, go calm and quiet. Open your eyes, and wherever your eyes fall first, that is your reading and that is your pile. Right? So choose according to your intuition. Do not overthink. The first pile which comes to your mind is your pile. Now, if you need more time, please pause this video. The timestamps along with my details are mentioned in the description below. So let's move on to pile number 1. Hello, pile number 1. All those who chose this beautiful rough cut selenite stone, pile number 1, this is your reading. So we are going to figure out today whether you will be able to travel abroad or not in coming 2 years, that is 2020 and 2021. But first we are going to see what is your particular situation is, right? Why you want to travel abroad. Is it only for tourism or it's something more important? So let's see what the cards have to tell us for group number 1. Abroad for group number 1. Okay. So I have these many cards which have fallen out. Let's see, let's begin. So we have Hermit. Interesting begin of the reading. So we have Hermit, we have Death, which is upside down. Yes, you can see the cards. Then we have 7 of Swords. And we have the 6 of Cups and the Knight of Wands. We have the 6 of Cups, and I'll show you, we have the Knight of Wands. So group number 1, this is a very interesting group of cards that are laid out in front of me for you. Now, straight off the bat, most of you who are watching this group could have had an opportunity to go abroad, or for mostly for studies, for higher education. And also for some of you, you would have gotten a job abroad. Your company might be sending you abroad, or you have that opportunity, or that offer. But for most of you, it is to do with mostly uh, increasing your skill set. It's a very good opportunity, and it is increasing your skill set. And mostly, I think all those who are watching could be students, but it is higher education. It's not like you've just done your you passed your higher secondary and you're going there for graduation. I don't think so, but for it could be, but not necessarily. But for most of you who are watching this file, this opportunity is to do with higher education or with work. But the reason that but there is a lot of resistance in you for this, for you to accept this thing. And mostly, I feel you're scared of being on your own. You're scared of change. You are resisting it. You are not actually, very happy with the idea or a thought. Maybe you have to leave. Say if you're going for a job, for example, let's see that scenario that you are going abroad for a job, but it could be for a certain amount of time. You need to be there alone. Maybe you're married with kids, or maybe you're married, you're newly married, or you have a long-term relationship. So you are very scared of leaving that relationship behind. This is because this you feel you're going to be cheating on your relationship. It's like you need to put up a facade, or you will not be doing the right thing by your partner if you took up this opportunity. And or else for some of you, you're just scared. You just maybe you applied for a college and you didn't expect to get a call back, and it just happened. Or certain situations in your life has changed because death has come in reverse. So this shows fear. This shows you're not able to make that decision or take that step, or you're not totally and wholly ready to go that far. Possibly you have those fears, and you're resisting change. And while you're doing this, you're not being very honest, or you're not being very authentic to yourself, because we have the Seven of Swords as well. When I see it for you, I don't feel that you are going to be cheated or something wrong is going to happen to you. But or these could be your fears, but I do feel when I see it that you are not authentic to yourself. You're trying to put up a facade and say that no, it's all right, I will make the sacrifice, it's all right, I'll let this opportunity go. But you really want to take it, and you also don't want to take it. It's you are in the middle of two different things. So that's a lot of confusion which I see with these three cards happening in your life, with the thought of going abroad. But in some time, I do see in maybe in a couple of weeks or couple of months, you will get clarity, and you will get it through your friends, family, through your spouse, through your loved ones. They will give you clarity, because they will make you will realize that their growth, they are invested in your growth as well. Right, that's the word I was looking for. They're also invested in your growth. As you grow, they also grow, and they also get those opportunities in their life. So it could be that for initially 5 to 6 months, you cannot take your family with you, but that's all right. You will be able to go through that time, because you also have Knight of Wands. So with the Knight of Wands, though it's a very passionate card, but whenever this night comes, it simply means you are in the right place at the right time. So things just fall in place. So don't be scared, don't be so fearful, because it's a wonderful opportunity which has come your way. Now let's see whether you are taking that step or not. So these are very specific messages for group number 1. So if it does not resonate, my dear friends, then pick up another pile, right? So choose another group if what I have said so far is not your situation. So yeah, because this group has a lot of fears, a lot of anxieties with the thought of going abroad, and they really would want to travel with their loved ones. They want to travel. If you're married, maybe you want to travel with your spouse, or you want your family to be there. Or if you're in a long-term relationship, you want to travel with your partner. So that's what you want to do. That's what you truly desire. But I think the opportunity is for you as of now to travel alone. But things change. You see, things change with time. So what more for group number 1? Look at this. Such a beautiful card. 3 of Cups. So you are not going to miss out on your family or friends. You are not going to feel lonely or left alone. If those are your fears, you will be able to manage things because there is a lot of positivity towards the end of the reading, right? So for this particular group, I feel yes, you have this opportunity to go abroad, and the person who is standing in its way to fruition is your own self. So now let's see whether you will be traveling abroad in the coming 2 years or not, whether this is a possibility. Now let's see for certainty what we are getting, whether you will be traveling abroad in coming 2 years. Number 1. Okay, so there is owl, there is journal. So I've got this owl, there is this journal, and there is this gentleman. So these are basically very positive cards. So I do feel that once you are over your fears, once you get out of your own way, then you will travel abroad, and the opportunity is very good, which has been presented to you, and there is more possibility of your going than not going. Yeah, because this Lenormand is giving me as a yes, because there is a lot of communication from friends, from official communication coming to you, and also you're writing your secret thoughts in a journal, and then there is this gentleman energy here. So yes, I do feel these are all positive cards, and I took it out for yes or no. So this is telling me yes, you will travel and there will not be any problem with communication. You will be in touch with your loved ones, if that is your worry. It's not as if the communication breakdown will happen, no. But you need to address your secret fears. There is something with both these cards, with the 7 of Swords energy as well as the journal card. There is some sort of secrecy involved with how you feel about things, and you're not very open about why it is that you don't want to go, or yeah, what is holding you back. You're not very open about it. Maybe you need to discuss it with friends or family or like-minded people. You need to bring it out in the open, and you need to discuss it, and then things will just clear out for you, because this opportunity is good. Yeah, that's what I see for you, my dear group number 1. So this is it. I hope the reading resonated. Do let me know in the comment sections, and let me know whether you're planning to travel abroad or not, or the opportunity has come your way. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want a personal consultation done, then my details are mentioned in the description below. Thank you for your time. Bye for now. Now let's move on to group number 2. So all those who chose this beautiful clear quartz wand, group number 2, this is your reading. Let me place it where you can see it. Right. So today we are going to find out whether you'll be traveling abroad or not in coming 2 years, and why. So first we are going to see what your particular situation is, right, for traveling abroad, group number 2. Number 2. Wands. Well, we have Ace of Cups, and we have the Chariot. Very clear-cut message I'm getting from this group, and in the bottom of the deck energy is 10 of Cups. So my dear friends, all those who have chosen this pile could be mostly traveling, have to travel abroad to get married, either to get married you have been engaged to somebody who is living abroad, or you've already gotten married and you both of you are traveling abroad to start your own life. So this is a very, very specific message for group now, all those who have chosen pile number 2. And if it doesn't resonate, then please choose another pile, because this is what this pile is talking about. It's all about love. It's all about travel. It's all about family, building your roots, making your foundation. So you are traveling abroad, not just for a small stint. You are traveling there to build your home, to have a family and to have a home. For it's a long-term goal. It's not for a short term. Yeah. So you guys are planning to be there long term. That's the plan. And it's to be with it's to start your own life there. Or you are engaged, or you're married to somebody who's already settled there, and now you're going to be the wife or the husband, or see what resonates. That's lovely. So a lot of beautiful cup energies, a lot of love here. So you're definitely traveling for love. Oh, and we have 3 of cups as well. So yes, it could yeah, so you're traveling for, as I said, you're traveling for making your own family, and traveling to to be together with your partner. And there is a lot of joy there. I think it's a very beautiful time. There seems to be no problem, because we also have Chariot, which is about travel. So it's a very purposeful travel that you're going to do, my dear group number 2. Anything else? I do see a lot of happiness here. So it's a good relationship. Yeah, it's a good relationship. And if you're thinking, if it's a question in your mind whether I'll be happy there or not, whether I'll settle in or not, I do see a lot of satisfaction, a lot of abundance, a lot of happiness, a lot of love. So yes, this move is going to be good for you, my dear group number 2. So we have 4 of cups energy as well. So maybe there was something that you were looking for, you have been dreaming about this. You're daydreaming about it. There could be a little bit of doubts in your mind. As I said, all those who are, who have drawn this pile are traveling for relationship, for marriage, for love. For partnerships. So you're going there to be with somebody, to be with the person of your interest, and you have had your reservations. You have had your fears, which is all right. So you have been worried about what if it doesn't work out, and what if I don't like it, or maybe this is not the right, or is this the right thing that I'm doing? So as I answered this question earlier, all the cards are saying that everything is in its place. Things seems to be hunky-dory for you, my dear group number 2. Any other message? And it could be also with the 3 of cups energy. Maybe you're not traveling alone. Maybe you're traveling with, your brother, your sister, your mother, or your father, or a friend, some of your family members. Maybe you're not traveling alone as well, because we have this beautiful friend energy with 3 of cups here. So, okay. And we have the moon. So yes, there are certain things which are bothering you. You are, there are mood swings which are happening. There are fears that you have with the moon and the 4 of cups energy. Possibly, one of it could be that, will I get the visa or not? Will I actually go? Will I actually travel when I'm meant to be traveling? Because travel is uncertain in today's time, right? But I don't see any problem here. Things are going to be fine. These fears are in your mind, and it is expected. It's not that when you're going to a different country, when you're actually going to be, you're going there long term, and your family and your support system you're leaving behind, and you're going to an entirely new different environment in a different place, then these fears are expected. So that's what you're feeling, but otherwise things look very fine to me. Now let's see. Now this is the reason that you're traveling. Now let's see whether you will be traveling in coming 2 years or not. So I'm going to take out a yes or no cards for you from the Lenormand deck. So let's see. Group number 2. Oops. Oh dear, such beautiful energies. My, you guys are in so much love. You also have a soulmate energy here with the dog is a soulmate, represents soulmate energy in Lenormand. And then we have Clover. This is the card of happiness, things working out, general well-being. So it's a very, very lucky card. Yeah, it's a lucky card. And we have Owl, another very positive card of communication, and we have the gentleman. So yeah, I do feel, my dear group number 2s, you guys will get to travel. And as I said, you are traveling for love. You're traveling to be with the one, to be with your soulmate. So that's so wonderful. So wonderful. Best of luck to you, my dear group number 2s. I hope the reading resonated. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want a personal consultation done, then my details are mentioned in the description below. Thank you for your time. Now let's move on to group number 3. Hello friends, all those who chose this beautiful selenite soap. I call it a soap because it's shaped like one. This is your reading, group number 3. So today we are going to figure out whether you will get to travel abroad in coming 2 years, that is 2021 and 2022 or not, and what is the purpose of that travel, right? So let's begin. File number 3. Whether they are traveling abroad or not. We have a couple of cards which have fallen off. All right, let's see what we have here. We have the Judgment and it has come upside down. Then we have 7 of Swords. We have the Queen of Wands. We have the 4 of Wands. And then we have the Fool. So all those who have chosen group number 3, it could have happened in the past that maybe you had travel plans, but they didn't come about. It didn't come to fruition. It could have happened that you had a visa reject. It could have happened that you were offered a job and then the opportunity was no longer there. Or you applied for some, as a student, you applied for some kind of a university or college and it didn't work out, or a job didn't work out. For whatever reason, things have not worked out in the past. That's the pile. This is the group who has chosen this pile, group number 3. So you guys have those fears. You're carrying those fears forward with the traveling abroad now. The opportunities are coming up, right? There are, with the Queen of Wands and with the Fool card, there are new opportunities coming your way, but those fears are still there, that you might not be able to go, you might not be able to travel. And also, I feel with the 4 of Wands energy, this is an 11-11 card as well, and the 4 of Wands energy is making me feel that you feel that you are very settled, or you want, or you, that is what you tell yourself, that you are very settled and very happy wherever you are right now, and you only want to travel abroad for maybe short stints. You don't want to go for maybe you want to travel as a tourist, right? That's what that's what you want to do. But in the past, some kind of you have had some kind of a bad experience wherein, as I said, you were not able to go. Those things were not fulfilled. So all those who have chosen this group now are very settled wherever they are in their lives, and they like to travel abroad for mostly for what do you say, tourism, to see new places, to experience different cultures, to experience different cuisines, to see different historical places. That's what you like to travel for now. So that's the all those who have seen, who have chosen this group. The first group was for work and studies. The second group was for going abroad for a longer time for marriage. But this particular group is for going abroad for purely tourism, right? So now let's see. Um, and you're very excited, like you really love to travel abroad, but and explore, with this Fool energy. It's like so beautiful, this Fool card. You just love to explore different things and not take things very seriously. So it's mostly giving me a, short stays, not a very long stint, or a shorter stay. So let's see whether you will be able to go abroad during the coming 2 months or not. And it could also be that you really love traveling. You love to plan your holidays, and you like to go long distance. And why you are here is because for the past 1 year that hasn't happened. When I'm saying holidays, I'm only talking abroad, getting out of the country that you are in. So now let's see whether you will be able to do that in coming 2 years, that is 2021 and 2022, or not. Oh yes, we have the key. Okay, we have the child and we have the tower. So yes, for short-term travels, you will do, my dear group number 3. Because we have, I'll show you the cards. We have the key, which is getting a key for whatever is unstuck, making it whatever is stuck, making it unstuck. Then there is a child, which is again doing short-term stints. And then we have the tower. So what it is telling me, yes, you will be traveling in these coming 2 years, but those will be short-term travels. Even if you're traveling for work, because the tower here does not, as not like the tarot cards. The Lenormand Tower denotes somebody who is at a very high place. It denotes work. It denotes professionalism. So you might be going for some professional trip as well. That is also possible for all those who have chosen this file. You might be traveling for work, or you might be traveling for tourism, but the travel is short. It's a short-term travel. It's not a long-term travel. You might be going there for a meeting, or for doing a presentation, something like that, but not a long-term travel for sure for all those who have chosen this file. And also for tourism, you guys love to travel. You love to see different places and different cultures, and that's what you will continue to do. I think it has been a small hiatus in past since 2019. I think 2019 September, October. Things are going to be better in coming 2 years, right? So yes, you will get to travel. All right. So this is it for you, my dear group number 3. This is what I have for you today. I hope the reading resonated. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want a personal consultation done, then my details are mentioned in the description below. Thank you for your time. Now let's move on to group number 4. So all those who have chosen this beautiful selenite wand, group number 4, this is your reading. I'll place it here where you can see it. So today we are asking Spirit the question, whether you'll be able to travel abroad in coming 2 years or not. So first we'll figure out why you want to travel abroad, or if not, why not, right? So first let's find the answer to why, and then we'll find out whether you will go or not. So let's see. We have the Page of Wands. Number 4. We have the Ace of Pentacles. We have Justice. Okay. Four of Cups. One more card flipped, I guess. Where are you? Okay. All right. And we have Seven of Cups. So all those who have chosen this pile are, yes, very interested in traveling abroad. It could be that you are students and you are and you want to go there for your graduation, or it could be that all those who have chosen this file, you want to go there to build something, maybe to start a business or to start some kind of a work, is why you want to travel abroad. And that's the plan. And you've been thinking about it, you are very kicked about it, you are very excited about it, and that's just something that you want to do. But I do feel that there is a lot of confusion around that idea. That's the main idea. Either you want to go there to pursue your graduation or higher education. Not exactly higher education. Higher education, it could be that you guys have just finished with your schooling and you want to go there for graduation, or you want to go there to learn, to do some specialization course. Right, so that maybe a specialization in filming, or maybe some cookery courses, or maybe in fashion, or something like that. Something maybe in IT, in gaming, could be anything. But it's a specialized small term, short term course is what you want to do, and you see this course as something which will help you build your future, which will help you take your career ahead, is why you want to go. But further ahead, I see with the Four of Cups and the Seven of Cups energy, I do feel you are not decided where you want to go exactly. You're also not decided what exactly it is that you want to do. So you might be thinking one thing today and tomorrow your mind changes. And you are also not, if it's about studies, then you have not decided which college. If it is about work, you have not decided exactly what kind of work it is that you want to do. So there is a lot of confusion and uncertainty around my group number 4, and they have to come to a sort of balance. This Justice card is asking you to find your way, find your balance, because you are not yet balanced. You're not there. Things are not on level with you, and you yourself don't know really. You want to know today. It could be that, oh yeah, I really want to go and I want to apply for the colleges, and I'm going to sit and do it all. And then 2 days later, you just lose your NQ. Something happens and you lose your stream, you lose your NQ. You don't know. You might plan to go there to start a business, or okay, let me go to my relative who is there. Sometimes it happens, your relatives call. All right, I'm in UK, come over in UK, or come over in US, or in Europe, wherever. But then something, you get excited by the thought, and then it doesn't work out. Because you are confused, my dear friend. You really don't know which way to go. So that's your biggest hurdle. So all those who have chosen this pile, if this is resonating with you, then this is your reading. Otherwise, I suggest you choose another pile, because this pile has a lot of confusion about where they want to go, what they want to do, and whether they want to go or not. So it's blowing hot and cold. Let me see whether you will get your clarity or not. With the Justice here, it's telling me that you need to be realistic about your dreams. Become realistic. Look, I got the card which was hidden. It's here, Hierophant. So this is also about putting you being realistic about your dreams, and also putting your thoughts on paper. Learn how to manifest what it is that you want, and for that to happen, you need to be very focused in what you want. So you need to create this balance, and you need to create this focus. This is what is lacking here, and you need to listen to your elders. Maybe your father has a solution, or maybe some uncle or some aunt, somebody who is elder to you, somebody whom you look up to as a teacher, as a guru, because a Hierophant is a teacher, a guru, and a guide. It could be anybody, it could be somebody, it could be your own teacher as well. So you need to have a counseling done. You need to talk to the right kind of people so that you get your clarity. If this is the skills that you want to develop, then which is the college or which is the country you should go to? If this is a business you want to set up, then what are the legalities behind it? Because justice is also about legalities, right? So you need to know, there is a lot of things in the air here. There's a lot of wish fulfillment happening and not actual work which is happening. There's a lot of spark, but it dies on fast because Page of Wands is a very passionate page, but it's just it's still a page. It's not a knight or a king, you know. So we are happy today, sad tomorrow. That's the scenario here. Right. So now let's see whether now this is your situation, this is your scenario, and to come out of it, you need to have a conversation with somebody who is elder, somebody whom you look up to as a guide. It could be your mother, it could be your father, it could be a teacher, it could be a brother, a friend, whosoever. So your solutions will come to you through a guide, because you on your own are not able to make your own decisions. So just go out there and talk about what is it that you want to do, and you will find your way out, whether it is the right time for you to take that step or not, right? And let's see whether you are traveling abroad in 2021 and 2022 or not. We have the whip, we have the journal, and we have the ring. So we have the whip here, which is because this is the Lenormand deck. So I'll show you. We have the whip, we have the journal, and we have the ring. So out of the three, this is the most positive card. The journal is also about secrecy, and the whip is about anxiety and tension. So I feel maybe you guys will go, maybe, but you need to have that clarity in your mind why you need to travel. That clarity, when that comes to you, then things will, when you get committed. Now ring is about commitment, so you need to be committed to something. There has to be a commitment, because Page of Wands has a problem with commitment, because he's just a child. It's a very youthful, childish energy. That's why I said you guys could be very young, or you just have finished your schooling and are thinking about graduation, or you have finished your graduation and thinking about developing kind of a skill set. So whatever your situation, or you're just very youthful as a person, not necessarily age. And we can be confused at any age. Confusion is not based on numbers. It's based on a situation. Like, we can be confused at any age. So that's what the confusion is. So once that confusion clears and you get that balance, and you are able to make that commitment to yourself about what it is that you want to do, that's when you guys will travel, my dear group number 2. So it might happen, if it gets cleared off for you sooner than later, it might happen then, or you might just decide not to go. Yeah, that's also a possibility, because you are on the brink, you're confused. So you might decide not to go, or you might decide to go. So once that decision is final, that's when the commitment, that's when the plans will take off. Right? So this is it. This is what I have for you, my dear group number 4. I hope the reading resonated. Do let me know in the comment section what's happening with your travel plans. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for your time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want a personal consultation done, then my details are also mentioned in the description below. Bye for now.